Hello everyone, and you all are welcome in this today's video, where we are here with the details of such an amazing earning opportunity which can actually give you a financially stable future. So today we are talking about Fortune NFT, which is tokenizing the real world, and the official website of the same is www.fortunenft.world. So if we start with the introduction details, so Fortune NFT is a next generation decentralized marketplace which is specially designed to make NFT buying smarter, more transparent, and linked to the real world utility. If we talk about some of the important features of this, so here you will get to see the tokenized ownership, blockchain powered transaction, yield generating NFTs, cross chain interoperability, and global participation as well. To directly talk about the income plan, here you can also step into the NFT marketplace where your minimum joining could be from $100 and it could be as high as $25,000, on which you are going to earn daily rewards as well. You have the opportunity to earn from 0.25% to 0.5% of daily rewards up to 3x times. So let's say if your starting amount is $100, on that your daily reward will be of 0.25% to 0.3%. On the joining amount of $250, your daily reward will be 0.25% to 0.3%. On joining with $500, again your daily reward amount will be same, which will be 0.25% to 0.3%, and similarly you have the opportunity to earn up to 0.5% daily rewards as it has been given on your screen. So here you will get to see the benefit of all the utility tokens such as BTC, ETH, BNB, TRX, and many more. If we talk about the supported chains, so those are Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, Solana, and as displayed on your screen, and the supported wallets are Trust Wallet, MetaMask, and Token Pocket. So here you are going to see the wide range of income streams where as a Fortune NFT agent, you will earn rewards from the 4 distinct revenue streams, which are specially designed to maximize your overall earning. So here the main source of rewards are in the form of NFT rewards, NFT community rewards, rank bonus, and in the form of platform rewards. To start with, if we talk about some basic details such as the real world asset consultant, so a real world asset consultant is a professional or advisory firm that helps the businesses, holders, or blockchain projects to understand, structure, and manage the real world asset tokenization. Now, here they mainly work on strategy development, legal and compliance guidance, tokenization design, and on many more aspects as displayed on your screen. Now, if we talk about the licensing, membership, and subscription program, so who will actually become an RWA consultant? So the financial advisors who are familiar with blockchain strategy firms, legal experts in tokenization, and the DeFi analysts and institutional asset managers are all eligible to be the part of RWA consultancy. You can become a licensed digital consultant where the detailed steps to apply, such as membership fee, online application, contract signing, and platform access, has been displayed on your screen. Now, directly we talk about all the revenues which you are going to get from here. So, first of all, we are going to talk about the revenue share system. This revenue share will be done on multiple levels, where you can see the details of 15 levels has been displayed on your screen, where you can earn 1% to 50% of daily community rewards, and that too for 150 days, and you can grow your earnings up to 4x times. So here, from level 1 you will be earning 50%, from level 2 40%, from level 3 30%, and so on. The details of all the 15 levels has been displayed on your screen. Now, moving ahead, we are going to talk about the amazing rank and rewards which you can get from here. So basically here a few ranks will be there, on achieving which you will be getting amazing rewards which will be provided to you in 20 weeks. Now here, how to achieve these ranks, the criteria for that we will discuss later on. First of all, let's talk about the rewards you can get from here. So basically, when your rank is 1 star, you will be getting $25 which will be provided to you in 20 weeks. When your rank is 2 star, your reward will be $50. When your rank is 3 star, your reward will be $200. When your rank is 4-star, your reward will be $300. When your rank is 5-star, your reward will be $500. When your rank is 6-star, your reward will be $1,000. And similarly, the details till all the 10-star ranks has been given on your screen, through which you have the opportunity to earn up to $25,000 as the rank and rewards benefit, which will be provided to you in 20 weeks. And here, all the rewards are distributed as MTHD tokens. Now, the rewards are amazing, but how to achieve the ranks? So, in order to get 1-star achiever criteria, you must have $5,000 of business in the power leg and $5,000 of business in all other leg in 5 levels. In order to achieve the 2-star rank, minimum 1-star club member in the first pool or second pool in 3 different lines are required. To be the 3-star rank achiever, minimum 1 2-star club member in the first pool or second pool in 3 different lines are required. And as you can see, the screen shows the achievement criteria of all the 10-star ranks. Now finally, if we talk about the level eligibility criteria. So friends, here you can see total 5 stages has been given and it has been divided from level 2 to level 15. So in order to unlock your level 1 and level 2, on stage 1, a requirement is of $500 of business from level 1. If you want to unlock the levels up to level 3, then as a stage 2 requirement, next $500 of business from level 1 to 2 will be required. And similarly, the details to unlock all the 15 levels has been displayed on your screen. So this platform of Fortune NFT works as per all the legal requirements. For the same, a page has been displayed on your screen. And here you will get to see the proper risk management facility, which provides you even more amazing opportunity. So if you also want to explore the future of digital assets, then Fortune NFT is the best place for you. In order to be the part of this today itself, you can visit www.fortunenft.world. Thank you.